So in this video, we are going to talk about how to buy a course or a book from the Prof Study dashboard. So if you want to register for the upcoming class or you want to buy some study materials, for instance, if you go to courses, you can buy any course you want. So let's say that you want to register for, let's say, advanced taxation practice. Okay, a 699. You can click add to cart. You see it's added to my cart. This is the cart. So you just click the cart and then you check out. Okay, so you can pay with debit or credit card, mobile money, direct bank transfer, which the processing time takes 1 to 3 business days, and offline payment. So that one you pay to our account and you notify us. So let's say you want to pay offline, you can come to Momo and send to this Momo number, or come here, Momo Pay, or to the Absa Bank. Okay, so whichever one you choose. So that one, if you pay through that, you send us a message, and then we will now add you to the classroom from the back end. But assuming I click mobile money, I agree to the terms. Okay, so you just put in your details. Kofi Braco, this is your number, and then your street address. Let's call it AB Street, or let's say AC Street. Okay, the city, Stema. No, these things are all subjective. Maybe Greater Accra, then postal code, you can leave it at 0000. Okay, Ghana. So because of that, complete purchase. So once you click complete purchase, so you can see from here, it has opened. So you choose your network. Okay, so maybe it's MTN. This is my number. Then you see, you pay. So you'll be redirected to complete this payment. So you go and it will redirect you. So once it redirects you on your phone, they are going to send you an OTP. Once you enter the OTP, this is not your mobile money pin. No, it's a Momo validation over the counter password. Okay, a one-time password. So this one-time password will be sent to you in your message. Then you will go there and then enter it. So after you enter your OTP, you are going to get a prompt, and then you enter your Momo pin, like the way if you are paying something for Momo, you get the prompt, and then you'll be redirected to the course. So that is how this works.